or smoothie?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Crackers or bread?
Crackers or bread? Bread.
Toasted.
Toasted.
With butter. Oh, yes.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. And century tuna on top. Oh, with
With century
cheese.
rice stand.
Yes. What about dark chocolate cake or carrot cake?
Carrot cake.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Sino mas compatible tayo na kayo ko? Bumabaki na kayo. Grabe eh.
I like this game. And next, we move on to our next category, which is sports. For you first, Richard, would you prefer basketball or football?
Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing. I'm
Fencing.
a wrestling athlete for 7 years.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit more about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Again.
No, I was going to say I swim.
Hey, golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. So that, going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Bananas.
Yeah.
Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes.
Just
More
with peanut
workout.
butter.
Yes.
More calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
More better. How about rambutan or lanzones?
I love rambutan.
Me
I
too.
love it.
Me too. Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero shooting namin, yung shoot namin ng course namin, may nag-shoot pa rin ng solis. Parang sa sako yung inuupo ng solis. Sabi ko, huy, nag-shoot tayo. Kaya ko na. Bukas pa ang epekto nito. Sabi ko, bukas pa ang epekto nito. Oh, man, nakikaya pa rin.
okay lang, fruits naman.
Trabaho, isa sako eh.
But what about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I love that.
Yeah.
Agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good job.
Pag-aralan mo na at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need to calorie count them.
That's true. And I think we have our final category. We have drinks.
Drink?
Drinks are that. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I don't drink alcohol.
Ay, whoa! That's a good choice. Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea. Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. And for you, Aga, we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea. And we have
Coffee.
Yes. Oh, speaking of ice or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Iced.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Lumadali na tayo.
Matcha or prune juice?
Matcha.
Matcha. Fruit shake or sparkling wine? Sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake.
Na
Oo,
shake.
kasi pagka sparkling wine, red wine na talaga.
Sige, fruit shake, no sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Sabi mo na.
Sparkling shake. Na
Sparkling
snacks.
shake.
Oo.
Sparkling shake.
May nasa mo pala, last category. We have under the sea. So anything under the sea. Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, agreed. Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia? Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya? Ah. And now, century tuna on hot and spicy or flakes in oil?
That's spicy.
Spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that?
I do.
Like it also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more of that.
Let's eat more spicy stuff.
Yes.
Oh, next one.
Congressman. Ano ka ba?
Maragada.
Most very.
Almost very agree. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong, oo. Tsaka yung, meron pa isang galunggong na masarap, yun sa palayo. Paksiw. Tulingan niya tayo. Paksiw. Tulingan. Parang tulingan galunggong. Iba ka.
Ano na naman
Balik ka ako. Sorry ka ako.
Pero ano ka paksiw ng pagkain?
Paksiw. Paksiw.
Masarap yun.
Paksiw, di ba?
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi parang may kanan na.
Real na siya, meal.
Yeah.
And finally, Century Tuna's flakes in oil or with calamansi.
Parang sa pangalawa na yan. So, I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako lang dalaga. But flakes, yung calamansi is okay. But sa plain kasi ang calamansi, pwede ko lagyan ng konti.
Oh, diba?
Madali yung magagawa.
Truly, truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard. And
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright.